Hello dear fans. How to calculate molar concentration. Molar concentration is a value that shows how many moles of a substance are in 1 liter of solution. For example, it is known that a liter of solution contains exactly 58.5 grams of table salt sodium chloride. Since the molar of this substance is just 58.5 g/mol, we can say that in this case you have a 1 molar salt solution. Or, as a record, 1 m solution. Necessary. Table of solubility of substances. Instructions. Step 1. The solution to this problem depends on specific conditions. If you know the exact mass of the substance and the exact volume of the solution, then the solution is very simple. For example, 15 grams of barium chloride is contained in 400 milliliters of solution. What is its molar concentration? Step 2. Start by remembering the exact formula for this salt, BaCl2. According to the periodic table, determine the atomic masses of the elements that make up its composition. And, taking into account the index 2 for chlorine, you get the molecular weight, 137 plus 71 is equal to 208. Therefore, the molar mass of barium chloride is 208 g/mol. Step 3. And according to the conditions of the problem, the solution contains 15 grams of this substance. How much is it in moles? Dividing 15 by 208 gives approximately 0.072 moles. Step 4. Now you need to take into account that the volume of the solution is 1 liter, and only 0.4. Dividing 0.072 by 0.4, you get the answer, 0.18. That is, you have about a 0.18 molar solution of barium chloride. Step 5. Let's complicate the solution of the problem a little. Suppose that you started to dissolve the already mentioned, well-known, table salt sodium chloride in 100 milliliters of water at room temperature. You added it in small portions, stirring thoroughly and waiting for complete dissolution. And then the moment came when another small portion did not dissolve to the end, despite intense stirring. It is required to determine what is the molar concentration of the resulting solution. Step 6. First of all, you need to find tables of solubility of substances. They are found in most chemical reference books. You can also find these data on the internet. You can easily determine that at room temperature the saturation limit, that is, the solubility limit, of sodium chloride is 31.6 grams/100 grams of water. Step 7. According to the terms of the problem, you dissolved salt in 100 milliliters of water, but its density is practically equal to 1. So we conclude, the resulting solution contains approximately 31.6 grams of sodium chloride. A small undissolved excess, as well as some change in volume when the salt dissolves, can be neglected, the error will be small. Step 8. Accordingly, 1 liter of solution would contain 10 times more salt, 316 grams, considering that the molar mass of sodium chloride, as indicated at the very beginning, is 58.5 g/mol. You can easily find the answer, 316/58, 5 is equal to 5, for molar solution. Thanks for watching.